There are moments in life when we have to face something difficult, whether it's a tough decision, a painful experience, or just something we'd rather avoid. In these situations, we sometimes hear people say, "You just have to bite the bullet." But what does that really mean? Where does this phrase come from? What true stories from history gave birth to this idiom? If you don't know, let's read a little story together to find out. A long time ago, wars were very tough and bloody. Medical help on the battlefield was very basic and limited, and pain medicine was not easily available. Many soldiers who were hurt needed surgery right away, but there was no medicine to stop the pain. Now picture yourself on an old battlefield. Brave soldiers are fighting, and suddenly one soldier, named Henry, gets badly hurt. The battlefield doctor runs to Henry. The doctor knows he has to do surgery quickly to save Henry's life. But there is no pain medicine. The doctor gives Henry a bullet and says, "Henry, put this bullet in your mouth and bite down hard." Henry puts the bullet in his mouth and bites it with all his strength. Even though the surgery is very painful, Henry stays strong and does not scream. He bites the bullet and endures the pain because he knows this is his only chance to survive. Henry's bravery gave birth to the idiom, "bite the bullet." Since then, this phrase means to face a difficult or painful situation with courage and without complaining. Just like Henry had to bite the bullet on the battlefield, we sometimes have to do the same in our daily lives. Facing challenges or uncomfortable situations takes courage, but if we stay strong, we can get through them. Let's look at a few examples from modern life where people have to bite the bullet. Imagine you have a big test tomorrow, but you haven't studied enough. Instead of giving up, you stay up all night and study. You are biting the bullet to get through the hard work. Or think about Sarah, who is scared of the dentist. She knows she needs to go, so she makes the appointment and faces her fear. Sarah is biting the bullet by going to the dentist even though she's nervous. So whenever you face a tough situation, remember the story of Henry and the bullet. Sometimes we all need to bite the bullet and get through something hard to achieve something important.